Maghihiwa muna tayo ng ito, hindi ko alam ang tawag dito yan, kasi yung gumawa inabang na ngayon, hindi pa magkasukat yan o, mayroon pa yung walang laman dyan sa gilid hanggang doon sa dulo, hindi siya magkasukat, kaya magtatabas ka pa, ganito halos tatabasin yan. So mahaba din yan, so tabasin muna natin guys. Tara.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display.
Ayun guys, nakakabit na tayo nung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yan, madali lang pala yung kabit yan, naka 5 na tayo, mga 1 metro na yan.
With this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off.
Guys, tuloy na natin yung pagkabit natin ng Deco stone. Yan. Yan, nakakapaghala na tayo. Yan. Hanggang dito na tayo. Kaligitnaan. Yan, nandiyan na tayo sa gitna. Kailangan tapusin para mabaklas ko na to. Yan. Pero ayusin ko lang muna tong harang guys. Yan. Para hindi tayo mainitan.
Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek